Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Camry light bulb step by step. Start by turning off the car and opening the hood, locate the headlight housing, and remove the power connector. Release the retaining clip or unscrew the housing, pull the old bulb straight out, insert the new bulb without touching the glass, reconnect the wiring, and test the light before sealing the housing. Begin by ensuring the car is off and keys are removed, then open the hood and find the rear of the headlight housing. Remove any plastic covers or access panels blocking the bulb, then disconnect the power connector by pressing the tab. Unclip the retaining spring or unscrew the holder, and gently pull the old bulb straight out without twisting to avoid damage to the socket. If this video helped, please subscribe and like to support more helpful car tutorials. It really makes a difference. Quick recommendation: I love those socks you saw on camera. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for comfortable garage work. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. With gloves on, remove the new bulb from packaging and avoid touching the glass. Line up the bulb tabs with the socket, insert the bulb straight in until it seats firmly, and secure the retaining clip or screws. Reconnect the wiring harness, turn on the headlights to confirm proper alignment and function, then replace any access covers and close the hood to finish the job confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.